How to add conditional questions on Google Forms. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now simply tap on the search bar and search for Google Forms. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots and enable desktop site. Now tap on go to forms. Now tap on blank form. Now enter your question name. Now tap on option. You can also add another option. Now enter the option name. Now go back and tap on the layer icon. Tap on it. Now a subsection will be created. Now select the first question. Now at the bottom right corner you will see three dots. Simply tap on it. Now click on go to section based on answer. Now select the option. Now next to the answer, simply tap on continue to next section and select the subsection. Now on the Google Forms, if I select this answer, I will be redirected to this section. And that's it. That's how you create conditional questions on Google Forms. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.